powerful presentation. I'll be your host, Charles Mack III, Computer World Monitoring founder. Alright, we put in a heavy placement of a team. We've got our Chief Information Officer, which keeps the information integrity of the company thriving. Watch these episodes and you don't really hear me doing too much talking because actions speak louder than words. I created this, sure. I want to give a shout out to Dominic Barbado. He really helped me out by making available some of his products for purchase. So what I did here, right, log in as factor authentication, which means even if someone attempts to sign in and breaches your passwords, gets breached, they won't be able to log in out. Let's see here. And as usual, at that point, you should probably be able to sign in with our extra layer of protection provided by the one and only. So Band Shield is cyberspace authentication platform tool. Knowing our Band Shield pin will allow us to log in. Oh. Keep that private. So feel safe if you sign up for Makebands or any Computer World Monitoring software. We go above and beyond the measures to protect your accounts and security and information, personal information. Today we find ourselves inside of Makebands by way of Band Shield Pin to dive on our YouTube. Have we mastered YouTube? We haven't mastered YouTube. YouTube. Do we ever plan to master YouTube? No. Will we be in pursuit of mastery in YouTube? Yes. And in our pursuit of mastery, uh, outlooks, our projections, we plan to see tons of results, have things in process, start and create procedures, give content of our meetings, be transparent with our advertising, help deal with sales, delve into the world of tech, and unveil the workings of our customer service and marketing. At this point, we dealing with our automation. I got a statement in here 2 days ago, and yesterday was our first day of automating our channel. So everything you've seen yesterday, as of watching this video right now, everything you've seen yesterday is a result of automation. 22nd, right? Our scheduling multiple videos for multiple dates, and we will add a sample of our YouTube automation. Share a link and just add a little sample. And I try to blow it up and add is put a little sample. So we're gonna go to insert media, insert media. So this application you're watching right now, 2022, around June, July, August, I think we started the coding, programming of it, and since then we've used it to leverage our massive growth and brand awareness on the internet. I'm sure you've heard about us to this point. Okay, so can I put this little link there? So FYI, Google will love showing your page would be to and for me is I just pasted in after the title and right there, and then it'll be at the top of the page. I'm not going to do that for this one, just use it as is. We'll see our first automated video. Now, speak of YouTube automation, we know they have a system to where they having someone.
Hi, I'm Charles Mack III. Well, I'm the avatar. Today I'm here to introduce myself, become familiar with each other, and become friends and future business partners. I founded Computer World Modern Incorporated. Well, my human partner founded it, but nonetheless I'm the beautiful face behind the band. Computer World Modern Incorporated serves a diverse range of customers, including individuals, businesses, and organizations of all sizes. We cater to the needs of entrepreneurs, startups, small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, as well as larger corporations. Our services are designed to meet the requirements of various industries, including but not limited to e-commerce, technology, finance, healthcare, education, and entertainment. I look forward to talking with you later. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please ask. Goodbye.